बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Students, this is the time for your language class. For this, take out your language book. Here we have your language book. Take it out. Today we are going to start a new topic. Topic number 16. Contractions. On page number 82. Open page number 82 first. Open it everyone. Today we are going to this one easiest topic, that is contraction. It is quite easy. What is the definition of contraction? Definition of contraction is a shortened form of a word which can be joined to another word. What is the definition? A shortened form of a word. Whenever you make a short form of a word by joining it with some other things, your contracted form is form. How you can make your contracted form. Suppose that we have some words here: am, is, are, has, have, will, had, and we have some other word. I have just taken some selected one. And how you make a contraction? Before making a contraction, always keep in your mind that we always use a punctuation mark in a contracted form. And what is this punctuation mark called? Apostrophe. What we call it? Apostrophe. The place where we are going to use a punctuation, where we are going to use a contraction, whatever the word. For example, we have am. If you are going to make a contracted form of am, it will be apostrophe n. We are skipping here a. The place where we skip a, we add at that place, we are going to add a punctuation mark apostrophe. So it will become n, only n. We use mostly am with I. Subject I is always used with n. So what it will become in return? It will become I. Now you have is. He is, she is. We usually use this one word with subject he, she. Singular subject we use, along with singular subject we use word is. And what is its contracted form? The contracted form of is apostrophe s. Only apostrophe in place of I. Students, always keep it in your mind. Whatever the letter you are skipping from a word, you will add the apostrophe at the same place wherever you are skipping the letter. Here we skip I, so we add apostrophe s in place of I. So it will become he, his. Will become his. Then we have are. Suppose that subject are is used usually with a plural subjects. You are. So what it will become? U apostrophe R E only. Okay? It will become U apostrophe. Skipping what? In this one word we skip which one letter skip? A. Only A is skipped. Here we have has. Has is used with a singular subject. She has, he has. Okay? She has. So what is the contracted form of as? It's only, because we are skipping HA. So it will become apostrophe s. She's. Have. We have. It will become what? We. Apostrophe VE. We are skipping two letters from this, H and A. It will become apostrophe VE only. She will. What it will become? She'll. It will become she'll. Now had. Had can be used with any subject. I'm using it with you. You had. What it will become then? U apostrophe D. Okay? It will become U apostrophe D. U. Okay, students, here we have contracted form of every word. Am, is, are. Now let's use these all words in some sentences, then your concept will be clear more. you understand that how to make a contraction of these words. Suppose that you have a sentence that I am going to market. I am going to market, and you are asked to make a contracted form of I am. Now it is too easy for you to make a contraction of I am. It will become what? I apostrophe am. Do not forget to put this apostrophe mark of apostrophe at the correct place. Okay, I am, what we call it, I'm going to market. She is busy. What it will become? The contraction of she is will become she's. She's busy. We will go out. What we will become? What is the contracted form of we will? We'll go out. Okay, it's too easy to convert the usual form into contracted form. Once you understand that how to change it, it will be easier for you to convert it into a contracted form. Look at on page number 83, open page number 83. Here we have some example that will clear you more that how you can easily make the contracted form of such words. I am going home. The contracted form of it is I'm going home. We are. The contracted form is we're. We are going to mark. We are going home. She is good girl. She is a good girl. She is a good bird. Only we're going to add apostrophe s. He is a good boy. He's a good boy. They are all friends. They are all friends. Only you're going to add apostrophe. Just we have done this one. See this one table. There you can easily find every form, contracted form of every word easily. Okay, student, that is how we are going to make the contraction of some words that you're going to have in your sentences. Now let me tell you that how we are going to make the contraction of. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, that we have a same contracted form for has. HAS, has, the contraction of has is apostrophe s, and the contraction of is also apostrophe s. So how you recognize if you have a sentence that she's driving a car? How you will get that what kind of word it is, whether it is has or whether it is. You're going to recognize it with the help of word. If you have a third form of the verb in your sentence, it means that the contracted form is has. It will become she has driven a car. Okay, I'm telling it to you again that whenever you have a contracted form, because the contracted form of has and is same, apostrophe s. So if you have a third form of the verb in a given sentence, then it is compulsory that you have to add has here. Okay, otherwise it will be she is. If you have ing form of the verb in a given sentence, it will be she is. Now how to make a contracted form of not? Now students, how we are going to make a contraction of not? Had not. How are you going to make the contraction of it? Had and apostrophe t. We're going to add, because we are skipping letter O, right? We are going to skip the letter O, so we are going to add apostrophe in between N and T. If you're going to make a contraction of not in this manner, as many students do this mistake a lot of time, they make a contraction in this manner. This is wrong. Always form a contraction of not just like this, because as I told you that whatever the letter we are skipping in a given sentence, we will add apostrophe mark at that place. Here we are skipping not O from the not, so we will put our apostrophe in between N and T, not before N and T, okay? What is the contracted form of do not? It will become don't. What will the contracted form of did not? It will become didn't. Okay, same as like this, these, the contraction of not, you can make the other contracted forms of not as well. Students, what you're going to do in your homework, you have an exercise on page number 85. Here you have an exercise on page number 85. This one, exercise A. You have to copy out this one exercise in your copy and rewrite the following sentences replacing the underlined words with contractions. Whatever the underlined words you have in a given sentence, just replace it with the contraction. It is so simple. You can take help if you have any confusion from the examples that are given at the starting of this one topic. We will have only some boiled vegetables for dinner. We will. So it will become what? You know it, na? He did not like the book at all. He didn't. The student must not play football in this train. Say principal. Must not. How to make the contraction of not? You have to make it in the same manner as we have done here. Laila would not tell us why she was crying. They have forgotten to invite the most important person. So you have to make the contraction of underlined words and you have to rewrite the sentence again. Okay? That is all about today's class. Students, if you have any query related to this one lecture, you can ask us. You can WhatsApp us your query, whatever it is. Till our next class, Allah Hafiz everyone.